Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in Ellerbe in Modern Threads Boutique and down on the corner Bargains and More. And this is the owner, Annette Frick, who's going to tell us about a lot of fun they have planned for this Saturday to celebrate their 1-year anniversary.
We will have Ramblers Run. It's a band coming out at 11 o'clock. We will have a snow cone truck, some face painting, and we will also have food trucks here. It starts at 11 o'clock, so if you could please come out and celebrate with us. If you have a hot rod or anything you consider as a hot rod or tractors or anything, you bring it out, you get 10% off of anything in the store, both sides of the store. So come out and celebrate with us if you could, please.
And we hope to see you this weekend in Ellerbe. Modern Threads and down on the corner Bargains and More have been wonderful additions to this community. So come celebrate with food, live music, and lots more. Thank you, Annette.
Thank you.
Tonight in Hamlet will be the finale at Axe to Grind for Hamlet's Got Talent. You can see more details and learn about the 10 finalists that will be competing tonight to see who wins Hamlet's Got Talent at Axe to Grind on the Axe to Grind Facebook page. Also in Rockingham at Double Vision, they will have $3 Thursday. Tomorrow, back in Hamlet, it is TGIF Food Truck Fridays on Main. There will be food trucks starting at 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. in the Hamlet Visitor Center parking lot. To see the full lineup of who is going to be there, see Visit Hamlet NC and also Hamlet Depot and Museums on Facebook. There will be live music in downtown Rockingham Friday night with Tyler Watts. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and at A Southern Touch at the Estate, they will have rodeo night. You can find out more about rodeo night on the A Southern Touch at the Estate Facebook page. Starting Friday and lasting throughout Saturday into the night, Modern Street Hemi Shootout All In, All Out will be at Rockingham Dragway. You can find out more on their website, rockinghamdragway.com. Also see them on Instagram, The Rock Dragway, and on Facebook, Rockingham Dragway. Starting Friday the 14th and lasting through the 15th on Saturday, Modern Street Hemi Shootout will be at Rockingham Dragway for All In, All Out. You can find out more information on this event on their website, rockinghamdragway.com, on Instagram, The Rock Dragway, and on Facebook, Rockingham Dragway. At Richmond Community College, the Richmond County Disc Golf Group will host their Summer Tag Challenge. There's more information about this event and how you can register on Facebook. Look up Richmond County Disc Golf Group. And don't forget to come here in Ellerbe at Modern Threads Boutique and down on the corner Bargains and More for their 1-year anniversary. That will start at 11 a.m. and last until 4 p.m. That night, DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision in Rockingham. There will be music bingo that afternoon with BowTie at Axe to Grind in Hamlet, and then BowTie will have karaoke at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on YouTube, Visit Richmond County NC, and on Twitter, Richmond County Tourism Development Authority. We hope to see you here in Ellerbe this weekend or around town. If not, we will definitely see you next week.